National President ke National People's Party belong ruk menteri ramba ke jela ukurat sangma habai keren bekin tok kebor ulakan tak dan periang halor ke jingken tok baka seng kamla ban job bun ki kertong hapo khasi bet Jaintia Hills hak election MLA ke badang sudep House nem argar arpulai nagaliang menteri ramba habai keren bekilat thai kebor hadin balawai ke jing yalang periang sobha ya laingut ki MDC syaka seng NPP ulaong baka NPP kalau yo adu lai point kat pralak tam ki votes hak election MLA baladep kabalong ru ka seng ka yo pun tam ki vote la da yulujor bat ki wei ke seng san perthei ulaong ru baka long ka babakla ban ong baka NPP kamla ban job bun ki kertong ki don ki kertong jong ka seng ki baklem semlayo ya ka jing job bat ya kini ru kadei baki rem da ka saj ulaong bakum gini ki jing jia kin jia bek ha ka kam san perthei kam tam ha ka por election bat kam dei tang ka wei ka election hanrei ka ni ka pen kiu bat ka pen khlaiñ ya ka seng ha ki wei bat kisnam habai dei bat ki jingkun tho ya ka seng NPP ha ki rensan social media nagaleng ukarat ulong ba ki don ki daw ba ki jing skau khia bakum ka seng ka yele ban kren ya ki jing ya ki ba bun ukarat ulong ro ba ka rensan social media kampen i ya ka e ka bapau hapo ka imlang ka salang bat ki don belai ki pompat la ban pendon kami ki kor ki bor jong kini ke juk ka benda lani ka social media ulong ba ka social media ka long ka ransan ka ba ki jingken tho ki mi na ki bri ba kham pen le jing mot kham bun ha ka bat ulong ro ba ki bri ki kloi ban poi sa ka bakot nang na ki jing pen thame ni pen shit da mano re da mano
from what you're saying, because we ended up being the single largest party in Khasi's jaintia. We got almost 318,000 votes in the last election, in the MLA election, which is the highest among all political parties. So hence, it would be incorrect to say that we did not get the response. Yes, we could not convert those into seats, and there were about 3-4 seats we lost by very, very narrow margin out here. So hence that happens in politics and happens in elections. An election is not about just one, politics is not about just one election. And hence we keep building the party. As I said, compared to the previous elections, the National People's Party fared much better. And we are hopeful that, as I said, we will do far better in the coming elections, especially in the Lok Sabha election.
You've seen social media campaign. There's so much against NPP. How do you view this one?
Social media is one of the ways and mediums in which different issues come up, and yes, there are issues and concerns which whenever we find anything that is there, we try to address those issues that are there. But I would like to say that social media is not always reflective of the society at large. There are many sections of society that don't have access to actually to social media or are not that active in social media. So social media happens to be something that is there, that comes up to people who are much more active in it. So we seem to be judging our decisions or coming to conclusions based on certain social media updates or reports. But as I said, from a larger perspective, majority of the people, I would say large section